little sparrow and its nest. The little sparrow, its mother sparrow, its father sparrow, and two sister sparrows lived in a big tree. The little sparrow was active. It flew all over the forest with its sister sparrow, gathered dry grasses and sticks, and built a beautiful nest with its father and mother. One day there was a heavy rain with a terrible wind. The nest collapsed in the rain, since the two elder sister sparrows suddenly disappeared. The mother sparrow, the father sparrow, and the little sparrow were plunged into immense sadness. Sitting near the broken nest, they looked around the forest unconsciously. The little sparrow flew to the top of the tree and said to the soft voice of the elder sister sparrow, "Anywhere, but they know where to be found. Our nest has been broken, and we do not know where our children are." The mother sparrow cried. The father sparrow consoled us, saying, "We must be brave." The rain stopped for a while. "Come, we will look for our elder sister again." The little sparrow decided to help its parents. It went to ask other birds and animals in the forest about its sister, with the hope that a new dam would come after the darkness of the rainy season. The little family continued their journey in search of their sister. While searching for their sister, the little family realized that they needed a safe place to stay. Understand that nothing would change if they were immersed in sadness. The father sparrows say, "We must be brave. When our families reunited, don't we need a nest to stay in? So we will start building a new nest right away," he said. The father's word gave new hope to the mother sparrow and the little sparrow. The wind stopped and the sun slowly began to shine. And the little sparrow flapped its wings and flew away. It was more active than before. While building a new nest, the little sparrow did not give up trying to find its sisters. It went to ask the woodpecker, the squirrel, the old owl in the forest to identify its sister. The old owl said, "I saw two sparrows being blown in the heavy rain." The little sparrow immediately crossed the river. There it found its sister soaking wet or shivering in the heavy rain under a large leaf. With agility of preserving, there it brought its sister. The whole family happily lived in the new nest. No matter how difficult it may be, with perseverance and faith, the lost can be regained. Thank you.